The Capital on Tap Business Credit Card is a straightforward and accessible credit tool made for small business owners who want more control and reward from their business spending. Right from the start, there's a clear focus on making life easier. No annual or account maintenance fees, instant online application that won't ding a personal credit score, and a quick turnaround time with most credit decisions provided within 24 hours and a physical card delivered in 4 business days. This card is designed to be flexible and supportive of business growth. It offers credit limits up to $50,000 based on creditworthiness. One area where this card really shines is its rewards. Every purchase earns 1.5% cash back, but if your business switches to weekly AutoPay, that jumps up to 2%. For businesses with high and regular spending, this perk can genuinely add up, especially since rewards can be used to pay down balances or even purchase gift cards to reward employees or reinvest in the business itself. Practical management tools are another of the card's strengths. Company cards can be issued to employees, complete with spend controls, which means business owners don't have to worry about overspending or those awkward reimbursement scenarios. The centralized visibility into spending also makes bookkeeping and tax time a lot less stressful since it keeps business and personal expenses clearly divided. There's also built-in fraud protection for peace of mind, alongside resources like financial education courses to help owners strengthen their business smarts. But it's not without its drawbacks. The APR, which ranges from 17.49% to 57.49%, means this card can get expensive if the balance isn't paid off each month. Monthly payments are required, so business owners need to stay on top of cash flow and avoid falling behind, as interest and fees can pile up quickly. And while the credit limits are suitable for many small businesses, larger firms or those with more established credit needs might find them a bit limiting at first. Another small consideration is that although applying won't affect the personal credit score, defaulting on the account can, since a personal guarantee is required. To sum up, the Capital on Tap Business Credit Card is a solid, no-fuss option for small businesses looking to take the pain out of managing company expenses and who want meaningful cashback rewards without paying annual fees. It can help businesses gain financial flexibility, streamline their accounting, and even offer quick access to credit when it counts. Still, as with any credit product, there are risks. Not paying in full each month can lead to high interest charges, and failing to manage the account responsibly could impact the owner's personal credit. For disciplined spenders and businesses ready to maximize everyday spending, though, this card could be a real asset for growth and smoother operations.